Harol Brown Gray is known for their solid, powerful legs. They deliver blows with precision and force, often stunning their opponent early in the fight. These Rooster fight with an upward and outward motion, making them effective at launching high-breaking hits. They often engage at mid to high range, using their reach to their advantage. Unlike overly aggressive lines that charge blindly, the Harol Brown Gray uses its intelligence to read the opponent's moves. They maintain a balanced aggression, attacking fiercely when there's an opening but also knowing when to retreat and reposition. This trait helps them endure longer matches. Bred from tough and durable lines, these Grays show excellent stamina. They do not easily tire and can maintain pressure throughout the fight. They favor clean, slashing hits. Many breeders note that Harol Brown Grays are exceptional cutters, making them highly effective with sharp gaffs or knives.